Model, 66 plate Ford Transit 350 Mark 8 2.2 TDCI Ulez compliance starts runs needs repair no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 149499. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, will start and run but it is down on compression on a cylinder, so will need engine repairing or replacing. Ellis compliant, definitely worth repairing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows, tow bar. EU status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.